Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I finally want to introduce you to a beautiful dish rack. Carrotez has done it. They made this beautiful design that is just really elegant and sleek, but extremely functional. And let me tell you why. First off, it has a really wide design, so you're able to fit funkier shaped items such as pots, cutting boards. These little slits is where I like to put my knives so that they are protected and I don't have to worry about cutting myself. Now let's talk about the legs. These legs are my favorite feature because it just really makes it a standout piece. Your dish rack is probably going to be on your counter almost 100% of the time. So why not have it be something that you actually like looking at? This is stunning. I love it. And it has a really nice long spout. It can go from 10.5 inches all the way to 17.5. So you really have some room to play with in what angles you want to put the dish rack in. And all of it is made out of ABS material, so it's going to be corrosion resistant. You're not going to have to worry about rust. This spout catches it all automatically and it drains it out into the sink right away. So I don't have to worry about any kind of water being stagnant. It's always in an incline and will exit. So if you're like me and do dishes every day, I suggest you treat yourself, get yourself a dish rack like this. But that's just my point of view.